If you're thinking about buying a home right now, chances are you're looking at the current mortgage rates hovering over 7%. I know it's terrifying. And let's be real, that can feel pretty overwhelming. It's not uncommon to wonder, is now the right time to buy a home? I'm not sure if I'm ready right now. Or should I wait till the rates drop? In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about buying a home with a 7% or higher mortgage rate. I'll help you figure out whether it's smarter to buy now or hold off and wait. Let's get into it. First things first, let's not all one-size-fits-all answer to this. Anyone who tells you to buy now or wait without knowing your unique situation isn't giving you the full picture, and you should run. Whether or not you're buying right now should depend on your personal circumstance. Your finances, your goals, your local housing market conditions all have a huge play in your decision. So let's break it down. Who might benefit buying now? Or maybe we wait a little longer. Even with mortgage rates at 7%, there are still situations where home buying makes sense. Let's take a look at why buying now might be a good move for some buyers. First off, 7% mortgage rates are not historically high. When I started 27 years ago, that's terrifying, that was the rate. It was in mid-sevens. If we look at the big picture, mortgage rates were much higher in the 1980s. I remember the horror stories people were telling me when I started. So while rates are higher than recent years, you're still relatively average compared to historical trends. Another reason to consider buying now, more homes are available in many markets. While mortgage rates have pushed some buyers to the sidelines, this means less competition for you, the buyer. You might have a better chance to snag the perfect home at a stable price. Now, if you have been preparing for home ownership, like saving up for a down payment, having an emergency fund, and maintaining a stable income, this might be the right time for you. If you found a home that checks all the boxes and you plan to stay in for a while, locking in a fixed mortgage rate could provide long-term stability. Even with the rate at 7%, locking in fixed mortgage payment can be a smart move, especially when you're currently renting and dealing with rate hikes. Owning a home could be far better and more predictable costs in the long run. Here's another thing to think about. With every mortgage payment you make, you're building equity in your home. When you rent, that money is going to your landlord, not you. Homeownership is a long-term way to build massive wealth. But buying a home right now might not be the right move for everyone. Let's talk about when it makes sense to wait. If you're stretching your budget to make it work, to make homeownership work in general, it may not be the best time. You may have to pause. There's no shame in not buying if it's going to make you house poor. If you're putting too much of your income towards a housing cost, it could limit your ability to save, invest, and truly enjoy life. Go out to eat, go to a game, hang out, travel a little bit. Also, if you're hoping for mortgage rates to drop, you might want to wait a bit. Experts like Fannie Mae predict that rates gradually ease by late 2025 or 2026, but they'll likely stay above 6.5%. So if you're not in a rush to buy and you keep renting for now, you might get a better deal by waiting a little bit. As financial expert Susan Norman says, if I were going to be buying real estate right now and I had to take out a mortgage, I'd probably wait till about September. Whether you're buying now or waiting, there's a few important questions you should ask yourself to ensure you're ready for home ownership. Beyond just the down payment, do you really understand all the cost of owning a home? Closing costs, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, HOA fees, and ongoing maintenance all add up. And let's not forget about location. Think about your commute to schools, local amenities, and neighborhood vibe. Do you like your neighbors? Do you like the area? Even if you don't have kids, I tell clients this all the time, I don't have kids, I don't care. Yes, I know, but whoever's buying that home probably does. So being in a good school zone matters for your resale value. While buying a home should never just be about the investment, understanding the market and how prices are trending in areas are really, really crucial. Are homes in that area gaining value? Is it a desirable location? At the end of the day, whether you decide to buy now or wait, it's a personal decision. There's no right or wrong answer for everyone. Take your time, do the research, and be honest about your finances. And don't hesitate to reach out to financial experts, real estate professionals for guidance. That's what they're there for. We're here to help you. Whether you're wondering if homeownership is within reach or you're just trying to make sense of all the mortgage rates and the market conditions, at 14 Days to Close, we offer round-the-clock support to help you make the best financial decision for your future. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope this helped you be more confident in making the best decision about home ownership. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert tips. See you on the next one.